It's Danny man, back with another video, dropping a variety pack opening. Let's get it. Shout out to Mr. Fiction, shout out to Jelly, Ultimate Jelly, shout out to everybody. So yeah, let's get it and open up these packs. I'm on road to 20 subscribers. I have 15 subscribers. I lost 1 subscriber, but that's okay. Let's open up these pro packs. If I pull any golds, I will announce the overalls. After this account, I have more packs. Okay, we get a 70 overall Jeff Green. Okay. We get silvers out of that one. Okay. I have 48 packs on another account, so yeah. Okay, keep getting silvers. Yeah, we're just gonna fly through these packs. Slash in the comments if you like these kind of videos. I will be uploading more. So actually, guys, I might just do this account and I'll drop another video. That's what I might do. Cause it's a lot of packs. So I'll see when we get done with this account. Keep getting silvers. Boom. Okay. Do have some team packs gonna open up, so yeah. I do have my own Discord server. I might put it in the description, or yeah. So I might do that. Actually, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my Discord server. If it don't be there, then I had trouble with it, but I shouldn't have trouble with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my Discord server in the description, so check that out. I'm on Discord. So I have nobody in it, so it would be nice to have at least one person in there. This is the last pro pack on this account. Boom. Oh, we got all silvers in those packs. Now we hop on to these team packs. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay, we get a 71 overall Danilo Gallinari. I can't pronounce his name right. Okay. Boom. Okay, no. Boom. Okay, we get Serge Ibaka. That's not pretty cool. Boom. But why they do that? Alright, let's hop and get this monthly master claim pack. We're getting another silver. Well, hope you like this video and subscribe, comment. Tell me what you're grinding for. Live pass or monthly masters. So I'm on road to 20 subscribers, and I have 15 subscribers right now. I'm going to 20 subscribers. So like, comment, subscribe if you're new. See you on the next one.